Good morning, girls. Hope you have done the sums in profit and loss and learned the formulas in discount, children. Discount is the reduction given on the mark price. It is the mark price on which you are going to get the discount. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. Discount percent is discount by MP into 100%. And similarly, we know the formulas for MP and SP. In today's class, children, we shall do the sums in the topic discount. All of you open your textbooks to page number 125, exercise 8.2. Are you able to follow, girls? In exercise, the sixth sum. During a sale, a shopkeeper offered a discount of 10% on the marked prices of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? A discount of 10% is given, children. On what? On what is the discount given, girls? It is given on a pair of jeans. What is the MP of jeans? How much is the MP of jeans, children? It is rupees 1450 and two shirts. MP of two shirts. Each shirt is 150 means two shirts MP will be how much, children? 850 into 2 rupees 1700. You have the mark price for jeans, you have the mark price for two shirts, so you can find out the total MP. That is 1450 plus 1700 is equal to rupees 3150. The question for you is how much you have to pay if you buy them. So selling price of the items. Do you remember the formula for SP, children? MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. 3150 into 100 minus 10 divided by 100. 3150 into 90 by 100. Cancel your zeros, children. Multiply carefully. 9 5s are 45, carry on 4. 9 1s are 9 plus 4, 13, carry on 1. 9 3s are 27, 28 is the selling price of the two items. Yes, discount percent is given. The mark price for a pair of jeans is given and the mark price of one shirt is 850 means the two shirts mark price is 850 into 2 which is 1700. So what will be the total MP, children? Add both 1450 plus 1700 is 3150 and you are asked to find the selling price. What is the formula for SP? MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100 which is rupees 2835. Yes, children, we are doing first the questions related to discount. Coming to the ninth sum. Ninth sum. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the mark price. He bought a pair of shoes, children. What is the SP of the shoes? SP of the shoe is equal to rupees 1600. And how much discount did he get? He got a discount of 20%, children. What is the discount he got? 20%. Therefore, what is the mark price? MP of the shoes. Do you remember, children? SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent. SP into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into 100. divided by 100 minus 20%, that is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. You can cancel your zeros 20 times. So the shoes are marked for rupees 2000. The mark price is 2000. The discount is 20% and you bought for rupees 1600. Are you able to follow, girls? Every one of you. Now we have done the questions regarding the discount only, children. We are going topic wise. First percentages, second profit and loss, third discount, and the fourth will be sales tax. Now for today, you have done only up till here, girls. Yes, are you able to follow? And after this session, we shall start the revision for periodic 1. You have what? Revision for periodic 1. Revision for periodic 1. Revision for periodic 1. Revision for chapter 1, children rational numbers. 0 is the additive identity. 0 when added to any number gives the same number. Any rational multiplied by 1 gives the rational. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. 0 has no reciprocal. Fourth, 1 and minus 1 have their own reciprocals. Minus of minus a is equal to a. A rational number between a and b is equal to half into sum. Sum means a plus b. There are infinite rational numbers between two given rationals. If two numbers are given, children, you can insert infinite rational numbers. Are you able to follow? Learn these points, children. These are the basics of the topic rational numbers. Now coming to problems. Chapter 1, rational numbers. Problems. Problems. Question number 1. The multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 4. When I say the word multiplicative inverse, children, the sign will be as it is, only just reverse the number. Sign positive means positive, negative means negative, but only reciprocal the number. 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Yes. State the property used. State the property used. State the property used. 7 by 4 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into 7 by 4. A into B is equal to B into A. So this property is called as commutative property. Third, A bit, B bit. Minus 4 by 11 into 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to minus 4 by 11 into 1 by 2 into 3. Three numbers are involved, children. Yes, when three numbers are involved, can you guess the property, children? It is associative property. Associative property. Yes. Which is the additive identity for rational numbers? Additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive identity, multiplicative identity. Can you guess? 0 and it is 1. Yes. Is 0.7, the multiplicative inverse is 0.7. The multiplicative inverse of 7. Yes, is 0.7 the multiplicative inverse of 7. 7. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7, children? The multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. Therefore, 0.7 is not the multiplicative inverse of 7. Yes. What is a plus minus a? A plus minus a, plus into minus, minus, that is equal to 0. 7 by 9 plus of minus 7 by 9. Plus into minus, minus, the value is equal to 0. Yes. A rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. What is the formula, children? Half into a plus b. It is nothing but sum, children. Yes. What is your LCM? 6 plus 4. Half into 1 by 6. Plus into plus plus. Half into 1 by 6 you cannot cancel. So you have to multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 6 is 12. How many rationals are there between 3 and 5 by 7? 3 and 5 by 7 are two rational numbers. Your answer is what, children? Infinite rational numbers. Between two numbers, how many you can insert, children? Infinite rational numbers. Multiply minus 1 by 2 by the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Yes. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4, children? 4 by 3. Minus into plus, minus, and go for cancellation, children. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, multiply 1 into 2 by 3. Yes. Simplify. Minus 3 by 4 into 6 by 9 into minus 8 by 12. Minus into plus, minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, and go for cancellation. 4 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 goes 3 times, 3 divides once and 3 times. Your answer is 1 by 3. Yes, children. 7th, minus of minus x is equal to x. Example, x is equal to minus 2 by 9. Therefore, minus of minus 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. True. Yes. Note down the homework. Everybody Do the homework sincerely in the presence of your parents. Let your parents guide you and observe what you are doing, children. Homework. Do the given work. Do the given work in the presence of your parents. Page number 14. First one, second bit. Second one, fourth bit. Third one, second bit. Fourth one, fifth bit. Fifth, all. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Page 20. Page 20. First one, second bit. Third one. Fifth one, second bit. And 6. Do the given work in the presence of parents without looking into your CW. Please remind your parents to pay the fee before periodic 1. Do the given work in the presence of parents, children, and remind your parents to pay the fee before the periodic 1. Those who pay the fee only are allowed for the exam, children.